Eh.
Hello, happy birthday Mama Raquel. My wish for you is to be happy in your birthday. Salamat sa tanan sa imong kaayos sa akong pamilya, labi na sa imong mga apo, tanang mga apo, and more birthday to come. I thank God for all the time and prayers for happy and healthy year ahead. I love you Mama Raquel. See you soon. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Inaot nga nalipay ka sa imong birthday last, karong adlaw o tagaan pagkag baskog nga lawas sa Ginoo.
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Bye-bye!
Bawi na lang ako next year, hindi ako nakasama.
Bawi pa kami next time.
Sigab-gab muna ang representative. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Lola! Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Hi Lola Raquel, happy birthday la. Enjoy your birthday party. Mag-amping ka kanunay. May God bless you. I love you la.
Happy 80th birthday, Lola. I wish you have a joyful and great and blessed day. Thank you for loving me for 18 years. And I love you and I miss you. Happy 80th birthday.
Hello Ma, happy birthday, happy 80th birthday. Today is your 80 years of love, 80 years of fun, and you're still, 80 years is amazing. You're still going strong, and that's why God bless. And magmalipayon ka sa birthday mo today with your apos, anaks, families, friends, and wish you happiness and enjoy your day. I love you. Love, love, love.
Hi Lola! Happy birthday Lola! Wish you good health and happiness in life, and lagi ka pong mag-iingat, and more birthdays to come, and may your special day po be blessed. So I love you Lola, happy birthday po. Mwah.
Hello La, happy 80th birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan ngayon at nandyan silang lahat. And sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay. Tsaka yung pinangako mo sa amin ni Lisel na isang lote, itabi mo lang para pag-uwi tsaka namin ayusin yung titulo. Okay? Palakas ka lagi la, and yung vitamins, gatas ng kalabaw palagi mo inumin. Dito ako ngayon sa Dumaguete. Nakatapos yung mag-grocery at walang pasok. Uwi na rin. Ingat kayo dyan palagi, and God bless you. May the Lord continue to bless and guide you with all your travel papunta sa Hagna. And hope to see you soon. Palakas kayo palagi dyan, and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. Dito lang tayo sa Cebu, palakad-lakad. Okay, ingat lagi la. Amping kanunay.